Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Beulah Olarinde, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Fiverr. What is Fiverr? So what I'm going to do is go to the site fiverr.com and tell you and show you what Fiverr is. So this is Fiverr site, fiverr.com. It says find the perfect freelance services for your business. So if you need someone to do one thing or the other for you, you can go to Fiverr to get freelancers to help you with whatever you want to do. Fiverr is a freelancing website. So if then you are someone who has a skill and would like to work as a freelancer on Upwork, then it's on Fiverr. Okay, for those that don't know, I have videos on Upwork. You can check them out just on my channel here. Just check them out. I have videos on Upwork. Upwork too is also a freelancing platform where you can sell your services for money. Fiverr and Upwork are similar. I'm just going to show you the things that as a freelancer you can sell on Fiverr. The popular ones are web and mobile design, WordPress, logo design, drop shipping. This is the category that you can find under graphics and design. These are the categories. There is logo and brand identity over here, gaming, art and illustration. If you know how to do any of these, then you should be on Fiverr. If you know how to do any of these and you are not on Fiverr, then please, what are you waiting for? This is it. Okay, I think okay. This is a whole, yeah. If you know how to do any of these, if you know how to design with maybe Photoshop, this is Photoshop editing here, you know how to design your resume, you know how to do any of these, then you should be on Fiverr. The next category is digital marketing. Under digital marketing, you can do social media marketing. If you're a social media marketer, you are a social media manager or SEO manager or something, public relations, you know how to do any of these, then you should be on Fiverr. If the next one is writing and translating, if you know how to write, you're a good writer, you're a content writer, you are a copywriter, you are a resume writer, you are good at writing, or maybe you're a ghost writer, then you should be on Fiverr. The next one is video and animation. If you know how to edit video, you know how to make animated explainers, you know how to make animation, whiteboard animation, or anyone. If you know how to make spokesperson videos, you know how to do intros, you know how to make intros and outros for maybe video intros and outros, or even audio intros and outros, you can also be on Fiverr. All these things, if you know how to do any of these things, you can be on Fiverr. Music and audio, if you are a voiceover artist, if you're a producer, you're a song producer, you're a music writer, you are a songwriter, you are an artist, you should be on Fiverr. If you're a DJ, jingle and intro, you know how to make all these intro, like maybe radio jingle, radio intro, you know how, you are a sound engineer, any one of it, you know how to tune vocals, like you know how to edit podcast, you should be on Fiverr. Now to mix and master. Okay, the next one is programming and tech. If you know how to use WordPress, you know how to design a website, you know how to build a website, you know how to design mobile applications, you know how to code, you know how to make good stuff related to tech and programming. You should be on Fiverr. The next category is business. If you know how to work as a virtual assistant, like someone's PA, you don't know the person, you don't have any personal relationship with the person, but yet you are working for that person. You are a virtual assistant, a data entry expert, if you know how to make use of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft project, or anyone, then you should be on Fiverr. Project management, you know how to counsel, career counseling, HR consulting, you are into the business world, you know about presentations and all that, you should be on Fiverr. Then lifestyle, are you a fitness coach? You know how to teach people online, that's online lessons. You know how to coach people, you know, if you are a relationship expert or a marriage counselor or anything, you should be on Fiverr to sell your services. If you are a health, nutrition and fitness expert, you should be on Fiverr. Then industries, okay, we have the gaming, right? Yeah, industry, we have the gaming, game creation, you know, character modeling, character animation. If you have any of these skills, you should be on Fiverr. That's under gaming. There is e-commerce here, drop shipping, product research, SEO, influencer marketing, social media marketing is under, you know, e-commerce, maybe online store, something related to online store or marketplace or e-commerce marketing or anything. Then book and ebook publishing. Do you know how to write? You know how to proofread and edit? You know how to check punctuations, grammatical errors? Then you should be on Fiverr. If you know how to design book covers, you should be on Fiverr. If you know how to produce audiobooks, you have the book and all you have to do is to produce it into an audiobook. Maybe you're going to get a voiceover artist to help with the voiceover, and then you do the rest. You mix, master and edit and do all those stuff. But if you know how to do those things, you should be on Fiverr. Podcasting, if you know how to edit a podcast, you know how to write podcast script or content, if you know how to make a logo, you can make podcast logo. If you know how to make podcast cover art, podcast cover art is also you using your graphics design skills to make a cover art. You should be on Fiverr. Influencer, YouTube services, Instagram, Facebook, web and blog services. If you're an influencer generally, you should be on Fiverr. Architecture, drawings, 2D, 3D, diagrams and mapping. If you're an architect, you can sell your services on Fiverr. You don't need to wait for someone to get you a job to work in an architectural firm or building and construction firm or whatever. You can start selling your services on Upwork, on Fiverr and Upwork as well. But because I'm focusing on Fiverr, then real estate now. You are trying to build your real estate for a client that is trying to build his or her real estate agency. Is going to need the services of a web or mobile designer. Is going to need the services of a website content creator. Is going to need someone to design the logo. Is going to need someone to make him a business card. Is going to need someone to write articles or blog posts for his website. You will need CEO writings. He would need email marketing. He wants to send email to his clients. You would need someone to help with email marketing. Basically, these are the things that you can do on Fiverr. If you have these skills, you can start working on Fiverr. For example, let me just pick graphics design. Let's say logo design. Okay, here we have it, logo design. This is logo design. We have 9,661 services available, to show that yes, a lot of people are, always looking for someone to design their logo. This is logo design. All these people are there to help you with your logo. You too can also set up your account and your gig to start selling your services. I'm going to put one link to preferably how to open an account on Fiverr. And the good thing about Fiverr is opening an account on Fiverr is, I in my own opinion, is less stressful than that of Upwork. Like I said earlier, if you don't know about Upwork is a freelancing platform like Fiverr, and you should check out my video that I made on how to create an Upwork account and get your account approved. I'm going to put it somewhere here, and I'm sure we are going to learn from it. I'm sure it's going to help you. This is just me showing you what Fiverr is, what you can do on Fiverr. Let's check voiceover. Like what I'm doing now, you can see that it is a voiceover because you can't see my face. You can only see the screen, but you can hear my voice. You can say that that is voiceover. Let's check proofreading and editing. For proofreading and editing, you don't need to have any special skills in quotes. The skills you need to have are skills like when you read a statement, you know if that statement is grammatically correct or not. You know when there should be a comma, where there should be a full stop, where there should be a semicolon, where there should be a colon, where there should be an apostrophe, where there should be one punctuation mark or the other. Then you are good at editing and proofreading. So when you are given a book or a document, to edit it and proofread it, I don't think it's something that is very hard. Then there's translation. You can translate from one language to another, English to Spanish, English to Chinese, Chinese to English. Okay, for example, in Nigeria, you can translate Igbo to English, English back to Igbo, Yoruba to English, Yoruba back to English, English back to Yoruba. Anyone, if you are good at translation, why not? You can start selling on Fiverr. So, like I said earlier, in my opinion, I think getting started on Fiverr is much more easier than on Upwork. That's just my opinion. So I would say that Fiverr is one freelancing platform that you should join. And when you start selling on Fiverr, when you create an account, you will have to create a gig. After creating your account, you're going to create a gig. This is what people will see. They will see about you. They'll see how much you're charging. Like she is charging $40 per 50 words of any script you give to her to voice. So then for every amount of money you make on Fiverr, for every order that is placed on your gig, Fiverr is going to be taking a 20% out of it. So for example, if you wrote, maybe as a ghostwriter, you wrote a particular article for someone and you were paid, let's say for example, $5. Okay, $5. Fiverr is not going to pay you $5. Fiverr will pay you $4. So $1 is their commission, right? for, for you using their site to make money, they are going to get their own commission as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.